Where is this stupid tailor? Are you okay? You well? You well? You well? You well? You well? Hello. I have a cloth to sew. Please come and do my measurements. I have somewhere to go. Please, I'm in a hurry. Where is this? Well done. This is soda. Soda 22, 23, 45.
Hey! That's what I do for you.
Soda 30.
Jesus!
And this tape, no risk, no vagina. Hips 60 plus 2.5, making 65 for the hips. Jesus! Okay. Jesus! Shoulder 35.
Where is she?
Bust.
What happened?
49.
She's what? Funke!
Ah!
Wetin be this? Jesus. Ha blood of Jesus. Photo.
Madam, I'm done, no? Oh, you done? So which name should I put? Let me have a look. If you are not weary or dumb, you will know that I have been here before. Just like you know I your stupid apprentice messed up my clothes, and you expect me to the same victim. Never. I'm just here to have my measurements and send to my professional designer.
Oh, Benny.
I'm not you, riffraff. What of the money of the measurement that I just taken? Which one? Ask your village people.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Hello? I send you my measurements. I beg, attend to my clothes. Have you been filmed? Use that measurement like that and don't act or neither reduce. Where is this stupid tailor? Where is this stupid tailor?
It's okay.
Can you just see? Can you just see how you messed up my clothes due to your stupid measurements? The way you are just ranting now. It's me that saw your clothes. Because you just entered, you just barged into my shop and you're asking me that something happened. Can you just see for yourself? Okay, let me put it up so that you see. It's me that saw the clothes. Have you seen what it is? Money for measurement, you don't give me. I'm talking and you're talking. Are you okay right now? Right? Are you okay? You well? You well? You well? You well? Hey, for my shop? Yes, provide my clothes for me. Provide my clothes. Say it. Provide my clothes for me.